Choosing the wrong credit card can cost you hundreds, even thousands of dollars every single year. But what if I told you that today, artificial intelligence can match you with the perfect credit card for your budget in just a few minutes? Gone are the days of scrolling through 50 different cards, getting completely overwhelmed by confusing terms and conditions. I'm going to show you exactly how to use AI to pick the absolute best credit card for you, step by step. And stick around, because the first card AI constantly recommends is one that most people completely overlook. Before we dive into the best cards, there's something really important you need to understand. I see this confusion all the time. Visa and Mastercard are not credit cards. They are payment networks, okay? They process the transactions, but they don't decide your rewards. The rewards, the cashback, the welcome bonuses, the interest rates, and all the juicy benefits you get. Those come from the bank that issues the card, like Chase, Citi, Capital One, or Amex. So the question is never, should I get a Visa or a Mastercard? The real question you need to ask is, which specific card from which bank is going to make me the most money based on how I actually spend? So, step 1 is all about getting honest with yourself. Tell AI your real spending habits. This is where most people go wrong. They choose a credit card based on hype or what their friends have, not based on their own unique lifestyle. A travel card is useless if you never fly, right? Okay. So, before we let AI work its magic, you need to know your spending categories. Open up your bank app right now, or use a tool like Rocket Money or Monarch Money. Take a look at the last 3 to 6 months and find out how much you spend on groceries, dining out, gas, travel, online shopping, entertainment, and your monthly bills. Get those numbers down. It might feel like a bit of homework, but this 5-minute task is the key. Once you know this, AI can do the heavy lifting and calculate which card will literally pay you the most to use it. Now, for the fun part. Step 2. Ask AI to analyze your spending. Open up a free tool like ChatGPT or Claude, and you're going to paste in a simple prompt. Just type something like this: analyze my monthly spending and recommend the best US credit cards for maximizing cashback and rewards. Here are my spending categories and the average monthly amounts. Then, you just paste in the data you just gathered. Instantly, the AI will start running a complex analysis that a financial advisor would charge you good money for. It checks your potential cashback earnings. It weighs the annual fee against the rewards you'd get. It looks at the value of welcome bonuses, and it matches your top spending categories with the cards that reward them the most. It even considers things like travel benefits, differences in a PR, and other hidden perks you might not even know exist. This powerful analysis is now available to everyone for free. So, what cards does AI actually recommend? Let's get into step 3, where we look at the real US credit cards that AI suggests most often for the average person. First up is the Chase Freedom Unlimited. AI absolutely loves this card because it's a fantastic all-rounder that fits almost any lifestyle. You get 3% back on dining and at drugstores, and a solid 1.5% back everywhere else, with no annual fee. Plus, it usually comes with a strong welcome bonus. If your spending is spread out across a bunch of different categories, and you just want a simple, powerful card, this is almost always a top pick from AI. Next, AI often recommends the Capital One Saver One card. This is the go-to card for anyone who loves to eat out, order in, or just enjoy life. The rewards are amazing. You get 3% back on dining, 3% on entertainment like movies or concerts, 3% on popular streaming services, and even 3% on groceries. All of that with no annual fee. It's basically designed for your social life. If a big chunk of your budget goes to food and fun, AI will likely flag this card as a perfect match for you. It's a workhorse card for maximizing rewards on your everyday enjoyment. The third card that frequently comes up is the Discover It cashback. AI suggests this if you're someone who likes to strategize and maximize your earnings with rotating categories. Each quarter, you can earn 5% cashback in specific categories like gas stations, grocery stores, or Amazon. But listen carefully, because this is very important. You must always check the specific merchant list for those 5% categories. Sometimes, a category might be grocery stores, but it might exclude Walmart or Target. If the stores you actually shop at aren't included, that amazing 5% cashback becomes worthless to you. The great thing is, you can ask AI to show you the exact list of included merchants for the current quarter before you even think about applying. Now, let's talk about the Citi Custom Cash Card. AI recommends this card for a very specific type of person, someone who spends heavily in one particular category every month. Here's how it works. You automatically get 5% cashback on your top eligible spending category each billing cycle. Up to $500 spent. Could be groceries, gas, restaurants, travel, whatever. You don't have to pick it or enroll. Card just figures it out for you. AI is great at identifying if you have one standout spending area that would make this card a powerhouse for your wallet. It takes the guesswork out of maximizing your biggest expense. And finally, the fifth card AI often chooses is the Amex Blue Cash every day. This is a fantastic option for families or really anyone who finds themselves at the grocery store a lot. You get 3% back at U.S. supermarkets, 3% on U.S. online retail purchases, and 3% at U.S. gas stations. It covers the core expenses for many households, and it does it all with no annual fee. If your spending data shows big numbers in groceries, gas, and online shopping, AI will almost certainly put this card on your shortlist. Okay, so AI has given you a list of 3 to 5 great options. What now? This brings us to step 4. Use AI to compare your final 2 cards head-to-head. Don't just guess which one is better. Go back to your AI tool and use this prompt. Compare these 2 credit cards for me. The Chase Freedom Unlimited and the Capital One Saver One. Based on my specific spending habits, show me exactly how much money in cash back each one will earn me per year. AI will then create a detailed breakdown. It will calculate your total cashback, factor in the value of any welcome bonus, and weigh the trade-offs of any annual fees. It gives you a clear dollar-for-dollar comparison. This step alone can easily save you anywhere from $200 to $600 a year just by making sure you pick the true winner for your wallet. Now, a common question that comes up is about annual fees. Step 5 is asking AI if an annual fee is actually worth it for you. Many of the most amazing premium cards, like the Amex Gold or the Amex Platinum, come with hefty annual fees. It can be intimidating. But you can ask AI directly. Based on my spending pattern, is the annual fee for the Amex Gold card worth it for me? AI will then analyze all the card's credits, like dining or Uber credits, its premium perks, its travel benefits, the bonus categories, and it will calculate the total cash value of the rewards you would realistically earn. If that total value is much higher than the annual fee, then it's a fantastic deal. If not, you know to stick with a no-fee option. But AI can do more than just pick a card. For step 6, you can ask it to build you a personalized credit card strategy. You can tell it which cards you have, and it will create a full plan for you. It can tell you which card to use at each store to maximize every single purchase. It can show you how to stack rewards, which travel perks you already qualify for, and how to use them, and even give you a plan on how to avoid interest charges and when to pay your bill to best protect your credit score. No more guessing. AI gives you a clear, personalized roadmap to financial optimization. And finally, step 7 is using AI to track your rewards. Once you have your new card or cards, you can get overwhelmed trying to remember all the benefits. Just ask ChatGPT or Claude to create a simple tracking sheet for you. It can build you a table to track your cashback earned, your points balances, the rotating categories for the quarter, and any monthly benefits you need to use before they expire. You can even ask it to give you formulas to automate this in Google Sheets. This ensures you never leave money on the table. Now, for a final, very important warning. Before you apply for any credit card, especially one with rotating or specific categories, always check the cashback merchant list. A card might advertise 5% cash back on groceries, but if it only applies to stores you never shop at, the card is useless for you. Use AI to verify the specific merchant lists and category definitions before you hit that apply button. This is the final check to ensure your choice is the right one. Choosing the right credit card isn't just about getting a new piece of plastic. It's about making your money work harder for you. It can save you hundreds, even thousands of dollars every year. And with AI, the process is simpler and more powerful than ever before. If you'd like me to make a future video where I take a volunteer's real spending data and have AI analyze it live to pick their perfect card, let me know in the comments below. This is Wealth Hustle, helping you stay ahead of the future. Thanks for watching.